has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Pulaski County and central Georgia, northwestern Wilcox County and central Georgia, southeastern Dudley County and central Georgia, northeastern Crisp County and central Georgia, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Pleasant View, Oregon, 10 miles east of Vienna, moving north at 30 miles